1 2 1 2. Mic check. We are live. Second half action. What the? Alright, peoples. Second half action. Big Fish Sports TV made his way over here. I had to sit down and make sure the rain was clear right now. You know what I'm saying? We got Clearview versus the RV Chiefs senior level. This is the to see who's going to gain ground on that second seed, number 2 seed. Both teams sitting at 5-1.
Come on, View, pick it up, let's go!
I'm going to tell you guys like this. This is a barn burner right now. Clearview has the lead. Clearview has the lead 13-12. Third quarter just started. I'm telling you, it's a battle of number 34 from the Chiefs, number 7 from Clearview. And here we go. Nice tough run. So the story of this game right now is that Clearview's toughness and aggressiveness, and the RV Chiefs ability to play only in spurts. Only, I guess, they're catching their breath or whatever. Also, the RV Chiefs has shown signs of being tired. While Clearview is showing signs of still being ready to go every single play. So here we go. 1st and 10. That was a 12-man on the field penalty just now. 1st and 10. Handoff. There it is. Once again, he's off. There he goes. Clearview has been living off of these plays straight up the middle, off tackle. What they're really looking for is 7 yards of pop here, but they've been bursting off bigger runs than that. Bigger runs than that. So this is going to bring up another 1st and 10. Ball's on the 30, ball's on the 43-yard line. Handoff off the right-hand side. Number 7 gets through the hole and gets stood up. So all of y'all just tuning in, Clearview is in the yellow and the RV Chiefs is in the green. Score is 13-6. 13-6. Clearview. Third quarter. Clearview is on the move. 2nd down and 6. Ball is on the 40-yard line. That was the last gain of 4 yards. Here we go. Quarterback under center. Once again, off the right-hand side. He cuts it up inside. Hits it to the outside. Ooh! He gets met. He gets met right after picking up the 1st down. That's going to bring another 1st down for Clearview. Clearview does not mind these tough runs. Clearview definitely does not mind these tough runs. Clearview back to the line of scrimmage. Same thing, off to the right hand side. They are kicking out this end. That's going to be a gain of 2 yards on the play. Clearview is on the move. Tough runs. It's going to bring up a 2nd down and 7. Ball is now down inside the 30-yard line for Clearview.
That's why they want to be loud. It's because, hey.
Here we go. Clearview hustling to the line of scrimmage. Number 34 lines up to the left. This time they're going to the left-hand side. Clearview is doing what they want to do out here this evening. That's going to be close to a 1st down. They're going to go ahead and say line the game. Line the game. The score is 13-6. Clearview. 13-6 Clearview.
Big hit, dude. Move that kid up, man. Keep it going. Go low every time.
Here we go. Off the right-hand side again. This guy. You guys want to see a tough runner? Number 7 from Clearview. Holding on Clearview. It's going to back him up. You know, I was supposed to do the whole GA game in its entirety, but due to the fact it started late, this is the this is the senior level, senior division. This is senior level. Number 7, off to the left-hand side. And he's gonna, he's making people miss. He's making people miss out here. Oh, boy. Now, Clearview is right back inside of the original 1st down sticks. It's going to bring up a 2nd down and 8 for Clearview. 2nd down and 8 for Clearview. It is 13-6, 3rd quarter. This drive is taking up most of the 3rd quarter. This is the opening drive of the 2nd half. Opening drive of the 2nd half. Here we go. And he's going to get brought down. He may have picked up about another 2 yards on that play. It's been nothing but action-packed action going on this weekend. We had, let's talk about the RV Hurricanes, 12U of the SJI League. They came out and played host to the GT Stallions, and boy oh boy, they was a gracious host. They gave them boys donuts and everything. And number 7 is going to get ridden down, but he picks up enough for another 1st down, and I think they're going to have to put down the yard sticks. They're going to have to put down first down sticks because they're inside of the 10-yard line right now. So it's going to be first and goal from about the 9-yard line. This right here could very well put the Chiefs' backs against the wall as if it's not against the wall of the goal line already. So here we go. Split backfield. Quarterback under center. Opens to the right. Hands to the right. Number 7 tries to pick his way through the line of scrimmage. So he is going to have the ball moved down closer to the 5-yard line. It's going to be around the 6-yard line right now. It's going to be second and goal from the 6-yard line. Clearview can smell that end zone just as clear as they've been smelling 4 to 6 to 7 yards all game long today. Here we go. Clearview to the line of scrimmage. Quarterback under center. Opens to the right. Hands off to the right. He picks his way. Nobody's going to bring him down to the last minute. And the Chiefs defense is trying to stick their nose in their business. They're trying to hang in there, but they keep letting up these yards. These real important yards, they're letting them up. So that's going to bring the ball down to the 3-yard line. Third down and goal from the 3-yard line. The RV Chiefs, can they make a stand? The score is 13-6, Clearview. I just put view in there because I was tired of typing. And opens to the right. Ooh, they come in from the backside blitz. Backside A blitz, number 29 from the RV Chiefs steps in and makes some loser yards. Gonna bring up a 4th down and goal from the 5-yard line now. Can the RV Chiefs make a stand? Number 29 of the RV Chiefs shot the A gap and busted through there and grabbed the hold of the runner and brought him down for a loss of 2 yards on the play. Here we go. Clearview. This touchdown could be crucial. Clearview. Reverse open. To the right. Toss. And no, he didn't get in. He didn't get in the end zone. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Big stop by the RV Chiefs. And that's going to be the end of the third quarter. You know, number 7 may very well have thought he was into the end zone. I think he kind of cruised a little bit because he's a very hard runner. He's a very hard runner. He may have cruised a little bit towards that end zone goal line. And hey, the referee, I've never seen the referee's hands go up. I've seen the other referee run in from the other side and point in the other direction. So now they're walking the field. Now they're walking the field. You are now tuned into Big Fish Sports TV. The score is pinned at the bottom of your screen, 13-6, Clearview. This is going to be the start of the fourth quarter. Hey, we also got action going on in Burlington City. We got the Burlington City 12U facing the PYAA 12U. They are both fighting for some seedings over there. Very well maybe fighting to get into the playoffs, period. Both of those teams are sitting at, I think they're both sitting at 3-2 right now. So a third loss for either one of those teams could very well put them out of the playoffs. RV Chiefs, the ball is down at the 0-yard line. Literally. The ball, the backside of the ball. Oh, it's a high snap. Oh, man. The things that could go wrong from a shotgun snap. Wow. I mean, the ball had to be literally, the backside of the ball had to literally be sitting on the goal line. Literally. You know, and, you know, that's dangerous territory, you know, and you going back, I don't know. You're going, I can't see a shotgun coming in my own end zone. That's like punting from you. Never want to punt from your end zone, but you gonna call shotgun. I don't know. I'm just an under center quarterback kind of guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm a under center kind of guy. You know, period. You know, I only would run shotgun. To tell you the truth, to change up the pace just a little bit. But anyway, so they got them 2 points. So now the score is 15-6. It's gonna be a tough one. They need 2 scores. RV Chiefs need 2 scores now. One thing about it, the RV Chiefs does have a great kicker. And the kick is off. And the fans over here are clapping their hands because the Philadelphia Phillies is going to the World Series. Ow, baby. Who would have thought the Phillies was going to the doggone World Series? Holy. Who would have thought the Phillies would be going to the World Series? I didn't. I thought my Mets was going. Clearview has the ball. Great territory. Great territory for Clearview. It kind of confuses a million people moving at one time. Now they're settled. They're trying to move people closer to the line. A million people is moving again. It's a high snap. And that's going to bring up a 2nd down. So the RV Chiefs recovered that kick over there. They recovered the kick, so that saved them a little bit, but they still down 2 scores. They still down 2 scores. Even if they get a touchdown and get a kick, it's still going to leave them down 1. So here we go. That shotgun is really hurting the Chiefs right now. There you go. And the pass is up. He has a step. Oh, he tried to come back for it. He couldn't get it. That was a great adjustment by the receiver. Great defense by the defender. Also, he couldn't come up with it. He just couldn't grab a hold of it, and things like that happen. So, you know, he did have a little step on him. You know, the quarterback, he put it out there, and it was a catchable ball, but he didn't come up with it. So now that's going to bring the 3rd down and about 23. 3rd and about 23. 4th quarter. The Chiefs need 2 scores. I would be moving a lot faster than this, and I wouldn't be throwing the ball. I would be getting the ball in number 34 hands. And the ball's up. Good interception! Oh shit! What the? Yo! Great interception, concentration, but on the return. Hey yo! On the interception return. See? It's like you running free, then poof out of nowhere. It's like somebody came off the sideline and hit him, put a stopper on him. Great concentration, but that was a ridiculous hit right there. All right, so here we go. 1st and 10. 1st and 10. There it is, off the right-hand side. Ooh, almost a great solo tackle. The runner was able to keep his feet moving, and he's going to pick up about 3 yards on that play. It's going to bring up a 2nd down and 7. 2nd and 7 for the Clearview. What are they, Pioneers? The Clearview Pioneers? Yeah, I think they're the Clearview Pioneers. So here we go. The clock is definitely on Clearview's side right now. The clock is definitely on Clearview's side right now. And they're going to protect it because they have not even tried a pass play since I've been here. Toss to the left. Number 7. I got to keep an eye on him. Ooh, spin. Ooh, I love the spin move. When a spin move works, I love it. It looks pretty. It looks dazzling. It looks like the footwork is on 1,000. Nice spin move, number 7. That is another move in his arsenal. Besides breaking 4 or 5 tackles per run, the spin move is a great piece of armor to have in your arsenal. So here we go. It is the 4th quarter. 4th quarter. 4th quarter. 4th quarter. And we're pretty much getting through it. There it is, number 7. Off the right hand side. Oh, they hit him, took his legs out, stood him up. You're fine. Thank you for ducking. Both of these teams are 5-1. 5-1. Both of these teams are 5-1. They're looking for that number 2 seed. They really, both of these teams are in the hunt for that number 2 seed. So Clearview has the advantage at that right now. You have Clearview and RV sitting at 5-1. Then you have Woodstown sitting at 7-0. Is it 7-0? 6-0? Yeah, 7-0. Yeah, something like that. So here we go. Toss to the right. Ooh! And a throw. Ooh, he dropped it. That was a perfect timing. Was that the perfect timing right there? That right there? That right there was the perfect timing there, boss. Hey, boss, good play call, boss. Yo, what movie is that from? I forget. Oh man. Oh. Fucking the water boy. What you want me to do there, boss? Hey yo, score is 15-6. Just when I said Clearview has not attempted to pass the whole time, that was a perfect play call because they've been running number 7 to death. They've been running him crazy. They've been running him ragged. Here we go. As the wide out sprints to his position. Wide left. Quarterback opens to the right. Hands off to the right. Quarterback cuts it back to the left. And he gets brought down by number 34. Helmet to helmet, they're calling. It must have been a late dive in on the hit. I could not see it. Flags come out. Unsportsmanlike on Clearview. It's going to bring up a 4th down and long for Clearview. 4th and long for Clearview. Gets a little testy out here right now. Hey, the intensity level is up out here right now. The intensity level is up. The fans are into it. The players on the sideline are definitely into it. The coaches are all the way into it. Here we go. Toss to the right.
There he is, brother.
Number 7 is not going down easy. He is not going down easy. So RV holds on. They escaped a long toss pass. The receiver dropped it.
Stop him one more time.
It is the 4th quarter. The 4-minute warning has not come up yet, but we should be getting close to that point. This is the 2nd possession for the RV Chiefs in the 4th quarter.
They got 5 people in the backfield. There's 5 people in the backfield. Yeah!
Oh, shoot. Nice run by the RV Chiefs. The RV Chiefs should.
David, how are they left 4 people in the backfield? They don't care about that. I've had that argument.
And that's going to bring up a 1st and 10 for the RV Chiefs. The ball is at the 48-yard line. At the 48-yard line of Clearview. RV Chiefs is in Clearview territory, shotgun. And he's looking to throw. And he's going to make the catch. That's going to be enough for a 1st down, a gain of about 18 yards on the play. That quarterback is getting hit on the arm as he's releasing every single time. Oh, the ball's on the ground.
Oh, he got it back.
RB was able to get back on it. Sheesh. And that's the 4-minute warning. The 4-minute warning. 4th quarter. The score is 15-6. Or around about that. The Phillies are going to the World Series. The rain is coming down. I can see it in my screen. But I'm under a tree, so I'm pretty much protected a little bit. Low snap. Runner. Tried to get up inside. And he's going to get brought down. That's going to be a loss of about 2 yards on the carry.
I guess that's a good.
Where do you go? The RV Chiefs is hoping, was thinking about being the number 2 seed. Right now they're down 2 scores. They're down 2 scores. If you look in the lower left-hand corner of your screen in the comments, you'll see the score is pinned at the bottom of your screen. Quarterback opens to the right. He looks to throw. He gets it off. And it's intercepted. Wow. Interception by Clearview. I would not be passing. I know you're down in distance, but you're moving the ball very well. And now the birds is definitely starting to chirp in my ear. And it's a little too close for comfort. You know, if you ever been to the RV Chiefs field, the visitor side sits on a tree line, and you can sit up on a little hill, and your back is right to the trees. So whatever's in them trees could very well come out at you. Here we go, clear view to the line of scrimmage. The receiver spread to the left, checks in with the referee. Handoff, straight up the middle to the right-hand side. He tries to bounce off the first defender, but he gets wrapped up and brought down. He's going to pick up a gain of about 4 yards on that carry, and it's going to bring up a second down and about 7. And the rain is coming down. And there's an equipment timeout on the field. And I might have to shut this down. I don't know, because the rain is coming in now. Here we go. Clearview trying to hold on and take this win home. He cuts it back up inside. He brings it to the outside. And he's going to get brought down right in front of the first down marker. He's going to be short. He's going to be short. He's going to be short. So it's going to bring up a 3rd down and 1. 3rd down and 1. Clearview trying to hold on. The rain is starting to come down in pouring fashion. We are here, Big Fish Sports TV, live and in action, West Hampton Sports Complex. Clearview, tight formation. One receiver to the left, hands off, straight up the middle. RV Chiefs is making the tackle, but not till after a pickup of about 4 yards on the play. It's going to give Clearview another first down. The RV Chiefs is running out of time. They're running out of gas. Gasp with the P on the end. The RV Chiefs has been in this situation before, and they've come out on the losing end of this situation. This game was a little tighter than when they played Woodstown, but the RV Chiefs was able to move the ball against Woodstown a little bit, but not enough. RV Chiefs. Handoff, Clearview. Bounces off one tackler. The blockers are still sustaining their blocks. And the whistle blows. So the blocks stop. And the runner goes down. If you can see the rain gusting up in the background over the field, the teams are still out here trying to put the Clearview team is still out here trying to cross their I's and dot their T's, cross their T's and dot their I's out here to get this game home with them. It's a long ride back to Clearview from here. I know because I've been there before, and it is a nice little ride from here. Everything in Tri-County youth football is about. And that's going to be the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Clearview comes into West Hampton, New Jersey, and pulls out a strong victory over the RV Chiefs. The Rancocas Valley Chiefs falls to the Clearview, I think their name is Pioneers, 15-6. All right, y'all, it's raining. I'm out of here. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Big Fish Sports TV, we got you covered. Shout out to Wall Township of the Jersey Shore AYF League. They took out the #2 Fab 5 team, the Asbury Park Blue Bishops 12U today. Hey, man, it goes down. Action-packed weekends has no selective person, yo. It can happen to anybody. All right, Big Fish Sports TV, we out of here.